everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Carrie and this is Carrie Lovecat, and this is my beautiful Dolly Parton Christmas wreath that I made for charity this year. So I will be sharing with you a few details about how I made it. I just started with a wreath like this, and then we found this ornament, I believe on Etsy, have a Holly Dolly Christmas. I also made one called Joy Lean to the World, which isn't finished, so I'll have to share that in another video. And then I just went ahead and I put cinnamon sticks underneath. That was like the first thing I put on, and of course some sprays. I have there's some glue. I have some candy canes throughout, some details. And then I also used this gorgeous rose I got from Michael's, other little roses and poinsettias. I really filled this one out. And there is even a poinsettia layered underneath a poinsettia sequin patch. I went ahead and made this little detail. I made it out of stickers and some little berries. And then I used the miniature guitars throughout because we know that Dolly loves her guitars. And so I really hope it sells. I hope there's a Dolly Parton fan out there. All the money is gonna go to a homeless shelter here that does a lot of really good work. So this is my Dolly Parton Christmas wreath, and I hope you go ahead and try to make your own Holly Dolly Christmas wreath this year. Now before I leave, I just have to show you that I'm also including in the sale of this fabulous Dolly Parton 2020 calendar, and it is so fun. And some of the pictures are such throwbacks, like I just have to share with you. They're so, like, I love that outfit. It is like Lawrence Welk era. If you're older like me, you probably remember Lawrence Welk. And of course there she is with that guitar. And I thought that guitar looked just like Dolly's guitar. And of course, if you grew up in the 80s, that's how you remember Dolly. And I highly recommend her Netflix special right now, Heartstrings. It's really cute. So thank you for watching, and I hope you go ahead and try making a Holly Dolly Christmas wreath this year. I'll see you in the next video.